I'm so excited about this meditation. I'm going to now introduce it now. Aphrodite, the goddess of divine love and fertility in the womb space. And this is a sacred space to accept our true essence. The womb space is a sacred, fertile vessel that is a portal between the cosmos and the physical realm. So get comfortable, and whenever you're ready, you can close your eyes and melt into this space. We're calling in our galactic guides, our loved ones on the other side of the highest and purest light and divine love into our spaces. We're calling upon the essence of Aphrodite into our spaces to help us cleanse and clear our womb spaces so that we are fertile and protected. Aphrodite is here to uplift our space. She wants us to know that we are whole and loved by many beings of light and unconditional love. This is your invitation to truly embrace the ones that you love and hold dear. This is a safe space. You can cry, cleanse, feel all your feelings, express yourself, clear out all of the traumatic sexual experiences, miscarriages, along with giving birth concerns from the past, present, and future. Child rearing is completely natural, and your body has been made to do this. You can release the thread of fear. It's just a trick of the ego that makes us afraid. Release it now. Cast it away. We are surrounding you with a golden glow, grounding you into the earth grid. You can feel the roots of your feet connecting to the ground. Allow your body to move freely, your voice to flow. This is a reminder that this is your safe space. Let go of expectations and allow your energy to flow and to dance. Enjoy.
Tell me, did you ever hear a story of two gods alike? The goddess of love, kingdoms away so far from each other, the world's ever first, long distance lovers. It's the tale of Venus and Aphrodite. I'm known to lose my thoughts, but my memory is tidy. It's a story that I love and a story I No farther than a neighbor across the sea. Met at a party for deities. They fell in love upon first glance, kept apart by the bros of silly men. First embrace these lovers share. Beauty combined and shone a great light, brought an end to the dark in the dead of night. Worshipped by graceful love or beauty, they got down on their knees and prayed Aphrodite. Promise me true love and promise me I win against all my enemies who try to make me sin. Promise me I'm pretty and promise me the sea. Promise me the Romans finally set us free. Oh, promise me the Romans finally set us free. Similar to her, Rome at Venus, their press just as shallow and their words just as meaningless. Promise my desires, promise me the West, no matter the cost, even if it's death. Promise me a target and promise me a die. Promise me the Greeks finally abide. Against their own wills, at war with each other. God fighting God and brother fighting brother. Long story short, it's a tale ages old. Blood ruined by men who fight and who fold. Even the gods are hurt by our actions. It's a little more than the law of attraction. everybody because I love you. When you stood up, walked away barefoot, and the grass where you lay left a bed in your shape. I looked over it and I ached. I love everybody because I love you. I don't need the city and I don't need the proof. All I need, darling, is a life in your shape. I picture it soft and I ache. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Reach out the car window, trying to hold the wind. You tell me you love her, I give you a grin. Oh, all I ever wanted was a life in your shape. So I follow the white lines, follow the white lines. Keep my eyes on the road as I ache. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Fields rolling on, I love it when you call my name. Can you hear the bumblebee swarm watching your arm? I love it when you look my way. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Fields rolling on, I love it when you call my name. Can you hear the bumblebee swarm watching your arm? I love it when you look my way. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Fields rolling on, I love it when you call my name. Can you hear the bumblebee swarm watching your arm? I love it when you look my way. Isaiah, Isaiah, Isaiah.
And hold me fast, this magic spell you cast. This is Leviosa. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see Leviosa. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be Leviosa. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give
beauty. He's Venus as a boy. He believes in a beauty until now he's exploring the taste of arousal. So watch it, he sets up the beauty
Take your time, anchoring back into your body and back into your space. Take this time to thank yourself and your spirit galactic team helping us on this journey today. And of course, giving a big thanks to Aphrodite for her wisdom and protection and presence throughout this ceremony. Feel free to give yourself a big hug, wiggle your fingers and toes, source energy, and Mama Gaia are always here protecting you and sealing you in a gold light of love, grounding, and abundance. When you are ready, you can open your beautiful eyes.